Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm eating a slime smoothie. I mean literally, okay? So, yeah, let's just get into the video, okay? So, yeah. So the first one is this. Okay. A neon yellow. It's almost the same color as the green one. And this one has its clear slime. It has some beads and I don't know if you guys can see it. Sprinkles. This one has a little bit glitter. It's clear and just has sprinkles. Okay. Next one is just this regular clear one. There's nothing in it. Next is this like a purplish. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's it's not that thick. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got a bubble right here. Okay. It's really hard. It's starting to rip. It's looking ugly, like unicorn throw up, but it's green. Unicorn slime throw up. Oh yeah, but okay. Okay, these are the slimes I mixed with it. Purple slime. This is from my other video. If you guys want to go check it out, it's Elix slime. Is this? These are the sprinkles. The bead one. The black one. Or purple. And then, but there's no more yellow in it. Because it's in here. Okay. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Oh, one more thing. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Kaylee, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and you'll get all the new stuff and new videos. So, yeah.